Gather up some giveaway supplies with me for my April Craft Club giveaway. Each month I select 2 winners from those of you who are subscribed to my craft club. This month I'm gathering up some items that I've been loving to use to craft with. So some tissue paper and napkins to decoupage with. I love some paper flowers along with plenty of blanks for you to craft on. I'm also adding in some silk screen transfers, some bee designs. I have been loving bee for summer, so I grabbed a couple different bee things. I'm also going to be adding in some of my favorite paint colors that I've been loving lately, along with Mod Podge and paintbrushes. I'll also be adding in some laser cut crafts from our website, along with a tumbler that we also sell on our website. You still have a couple days to sign up for our craft club to be entered in to win this giveaway. 2 winners will be announced on May 1st over on my YouTube channel.